Good morning, this is Pau, and I'll be answering another COVID vaccine question from the Philippines. Just a quick reminder, I am not a migration agent or a medical professional. Everything I share here is purely based on my own personal experience. To answer the question, saan po ako nagpa-COVID vaccine? That was in Philippines. And that was during the COVID time. So it's all free. I have 2 doses of COVID vaccines and two um, booster shots. And it's all in Quezon City because I'm living in Quezon City. But for now, if you need a COVID vaccine in the Philippines, mas maganda pong magkonsulta kayo sa website ng Department of Health or DOH. The DOH website is doh.gov.ph. At mas maigi po na makipag-ugnayan din kayo sa local health services near your area there in the Philippines for COVID vaccines. Kung need nyo po ito para sa inyong work requirement, mas maganda rin po magpa-advise kayo sa DILG or DOLE or visit the official websites of DILG and DOLE or DOLE or the official government portal.gov.ph. Sana makatulong po ito. So, ingat po palagi. Stay safe, everyone. Have a good day. Hello from Sydney, Maria. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in and see you on my next videos. Kabiri!